forever, ever hold a never mind. Oh,
Beautiful Aquarius, how are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing well. Thank you so much for liking and subscribing, supporting to the channel, and all my information is in the description box. Kindly have a look. So we are here to do your July reading. Okay, the readings are time stamped, and we're going to see what are the upcoming energies, what is the week bringing in, what do you need to see in the beginning, middle of the week, etc. So I'm going to pull out a Moonology oracle, then I'm going to clarify it with the tarot lights here and close it with the notes from the universe. Okay? Do watch your sun, moon and rising. People, my Aquarius, those who are watching, cross watches using a compass so that you can get more clarity. Okay? Let's see. What do we need to see? What is the moon oracle for my Aquarius? My Aquarius, beautiful Aquarius people. Let's see, what do we need to see? So this is, the energy is gaining momentum, waxing moon. Awesome. So this is about hope, this is about happiness, this is about looking forward. This is about your dreams coming true, Aquarius. Inner strength, mounting, my love. Let's see what you need to see. So I think it will be a very positive kind of month for you, July overall. Do complete all the work which is on hand. Don't just leave it in between, okay? And get on to doing something else, because at times that happens. Whatever you're asking about right now, or whether it's in regard to a relationship or your work, that will be taken care of. This will show me like a green tick. They say that all is well, and they're saying just be more committed to whatever you have on hand, and it shall be great. Somewhere in the middle of the week you might feel a little irritated or impatient, but that is okay, because astro changes happen. But you would return back to your enthusiasm, your dynamism and your comfort, because you don't want to deal with anything negative, you don't want to deal with anything messy, so you want to keep it under control. That's what they show me, Aquarius. Let's see what do we need to see with the energies gaining momentum. No reversals unless I'm guided to, and no changes. What do we need to see for our Aquarius? Cancer, Chariot, the balance, baby. Yes, don't give up on your faith. Have that balance. Continue going forward. Just continue going forward and know that the situation is under control. Okay? And your dreams have so much potential. And it's like call to action. Just keep doing what you're doing right now. Stay aligned, stay focused, and reflect how you can make things better as well. Okay, don't let sadness, anxiety or anything bother you. With the Emperor, what else can you ask for? Taurus, Gemini, Libra. You could be dealing with one, or you have it in your chart. Nine of Cups, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio energy. It is about your wishes finally coming true, and you know that the one you're thinking about or asking about, minus the gender, is the right one. Makes your heart go wah wah woom. Like that person is wish fulfillment for you. And maybe he's very fond of tattoos, or you're very fond of tattoos, or like that. But stay away from any messy situation, if at all there is any, because now that's what they're saying, that this period is going to be a little challenging, wherein you will have to be more stable with the Six of Swords. Yeah, you'll have to be more balanced. That's the Chariot here with the yin and yang energy. You need to be very balanced. Don't fall for anything and everything. Be very careful, because I think for some of you, you'll have a lot of choices in love. maybe in regard to work opportunities also. So just be very careful what you take up, okay, and how you take, because you're the magician. Supreme reading here. Wow. With the magician, Gemini energy, and again, you're the manifestor. You can change your reality. It's that kind of energy because everything is under control for you. You just have to keep going forward. And again, you have to remind yourself that you are supported and guided, and you're on the right track. So nothing can stop you right now from receiving the 10 of cups under the 9 of cups. Gemini, I think, had an amazing, Cancer had an amazing reading, and you, Aquarius. I mean, supremely confident and mind-blowing reading you guys have. But this is still to happen from 9 to 10 of cups. The well-being is going to happen where the magician will play the role, wherein you'll have to balance it all out. You'll have to keep continuing going forward, review your goals in regard to your relationship as well, in regard to your work as well, so that you can align yourself more and make things for real, because it's gaining momentum. It is coming around, and it is going to be a very empowering kind of time. You'll feel very happy, you'll feel very progressive, you will not be sad or anxious or sleepless, and that's what they're advising you. Don't fall into that, and don't get arrogant about it. With the Emperor energy, please don't avoid the rude behavior, and look for whatever brings you peace and happiness, okay? And your inner energy would be like requiring a certain sense of balance in your personal and professional dynamic. So keep that in mind and balance it. For some who have families, etc., ensure that you give time to your people as well, okay? Super reading. So what is the notes from the universe that you need to see? Hope and happiness is what I really see for you, because that's how the reading started. All is well is what they show me. There's a green tick. So yeah, you are heading towards the 10 of Cups, Aquarius. Isn't that amazing? It's just so amazing. I love it. Make use of all the opportunities that are coming your way. All of them. And take practical steps towards them, okay? So they say, when I lean toward love, I am led. Wow. So please just operate from the space of love, okay? Not get arrogant, not get rude, not think too much from the mind. Have a balanced head and heart, and you can make this come true with the 9 of Cups to the 10 of Cups, because you're the magician. The sense of balance required, you any which way are going to have it. Supreme, mind-blowing. So I love it. If you love the reading, like and subscribe, and I shall see you the next time. Until eternity. Bye.